I just wanted a bag of chips, but when the price tag says 15 bucks, you know the system is broken. I asked the scrolls why my money was disappearing. I didn't expect it to pull me into the answer. Whoa, okay, not in the Quick Mart. This smells like medieval commerce and trouble. Strange. What the? Okay, main character energy. Wait, something feels off. This place was thriving a second ago, but now... Something's wrong. The air, it feels heavy. It's not just magic. It's draining the life right out of the currency. The money is physically shrinking. That merchant worked all week for nothing. His purchasing power is gone. I have to stop this. The scrolls say this specter feeds on excess money supply. When you print more money than you have goods, the value of every single coin drops. Think about it. If everyone suddenly had 1 million gold coins, but there was still only 1 loaf of bread, how much would that bread cost? Last week, 1 gold coin bought you a feast, but today, those same coins barely buy a crust of bread. That is inflation. Too much money chasing too few goods. It's an invisible tax that steals your labor, but the scrolls have the counterspell. Hey, loaded ghost! You're done eating our future. Scrolls of wealth, monetary stability burst! The mist is gone. Prices are stabilizing. The supply of money matches the goods again. Order is restored. That is the power of understanding economics. Stability isn't magic, it's balance. See? 1 coin buys 1 loaf again. That's what happens when money holds its value. Wait! Before I head back, let's make sure you got this. 3 key concepts saved this world. First is inflation. It isn't things getting expensive. It's money losing value. Too much cash chasing too few goods. Second is purchasing power. It's not about how many coins you have. It's about how much bread those coins can actually buy. And finally, supply. You can't just print wealth. If you increase the money without increasing the goods, you just destroy the value. Anyway, keep that in mind. Wait, what time is it? The convenience store is gonna close. I've gotta get back to the real world before my snacks run out. Time to check the real prices. Safe! And look, the price is exactly what it was this morning. No nasty surprises here. Economics isn't just for dusty old scrolls. It's in every price tag, every paycheck, and even in this bag of chips. If you want to master the money game and keep your wallet safe, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next dimension. Stay sharp. Finance Fury, the compounding adventure. Subscribe now to level up your life.